Hi everybody! Today we're going to see vocabulary and expressions related to offers, requests and permission. We're going to see different expressions to offer something, to ask, to request something, and different expressions. We're going to analyze them about giving or asking for permission. Get ready? Let's start. We're going to start analyzing different possibilities to say exactly the same thing in a different way. We're talking about offers. You're going to offer something to somebody. You're going to offer help. Can I help you? In this case, you are offering some help to somebody. Another way of offering yourself to help in some way is by the expressions let me. For example, let me carry the bags for you. Or I could carry those bags for you. You are offering yourself, but you're not making a question. It's not, can I help you? You're not making a question. You're offering yourself directly. Let me do something for you. I could do something for you. And then we have another way of offering is, would you like a coffee? Do you want some sugar? In this case, this is the formal one, and this is the informal expression. Do you want is informal. So you have to bear in mind that if you are in a business context, it's better using would you like. We continue with requests. In this case, you are asking for something. For example, can you phone me tomorrow? Or could you phone me tomorrow? Can I have a glass of water? Could I have a glass of water? As you can see, this is the informal way, and this one is the formal one. Okay, so saying could you or could I, this is the formal expression. Then we have, I'd like a glass of water, or would you please give me a glass of water? As you can see, this is informal and this is formal. You are requesting, you're making a question, while in this case, you're not. It's an indirect request. It's more an order. It could be a little bit rude depending the context. Now we're going to see possible answers to those offers or to those requests. And we have two possibilities. We can accept that offer or that request, or we can reject, which means you don't accept. Okay, it's a negative, the opposite. You accept or you reject. Right. Let me show you my office, and you can reject. That would be nice. First, you give a positive feedback, but it's too late, I need to go. Or you can accept, you can reject, you can accept. Thank you, that would be nice. Remember, in English, you have to be very polite. Okay, thank you, please, positive feedback. Okay, you have to pay attention to these details. Okay, can I make a copy for you? You're offering yourself, and you can reject. Don't worry, I can do it myself. Or you can accept. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, offer, accept, reject. Could you please give me Susan's phone number? Or could you give me Susan's phone number, please? You can, as I said, please is very important, and you can accept or reject. You reject, sorry, I haven't got it, or yes, just a moment. Okay, remember being polite. Y antes de seguir con más expresiones, si te está gustando la lección, dame un like, suscríbete al canal, enciende la campanita y si tienes una duda, déjame un comentario. Ya sabes que todo vuestro feedback siempre viene bien y me gusta mucho, me ayuda a seguir empujando y haciendo vídeos como este. Y como siempre digo, te invito a que visites nuestra web, Inglés a la Carta Online, en donde encontrarás muchísimos cursos y servicios para personas que están en el mundo laboral, que necesitan inglés para los diferentes sectores laborales. Te invito a que nos visites. Ahora sí, continuamos. Here we have more expressions. For example, would you like a drink? You are offering something and you can say, not just now, thanks. This is I reject, you're rejecting. Thanks, very important. Or just a glass of water, please. You're accepting. Okay, please, very important. Would you please bring me a tea? I'm sorry, we haven't got any. You're rejecting, okay, but you're sorry. You have to say that. Very important, being polite. Oh, yes, of course. Some more. We have, could I use your office this afternoon? I'm sorry, Susan is using it. Oh, yes, that's no problem. Rejecting, accepting. Okay, when you say sorry, it means you're apologizing. Okay. So when you say sorry, you apologize yourself for not saying yes. You're saying no, so that's why you apologize yourself. Te invito a que si quieres hacer ejercicios de este tipo, en la cajita de información te dejo un link para que pinches y te descargues unos ejercicios relacionados con este tema. Trabaja todas las expresiones que hemos estado estudiando en esta lección. Te invito a que vayas una vez que acabemos y no lo dejes en el olvido. We continue with permission. Different possibilities. You ask for permission. For example, can I smoke here? You're asking for something, for a permission. You're asking somebody to let you do something. You give permission. This is when you let somebody do something. And you can say, certainly. But when you refuse the permission, you're not accepting, you want to reject that, you can say, I'm afraid not. The same example. Can I smoke here? Two possibilities. Give permission, certainly. Or you refuse permission. Sorry, I'm afraid not. And with all this, we have finished for today. See you next class. Bye-bye.